Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but most of the things related to network doesn't work in Samsung Galaxy A14. To do this, first let's check the issue, and we can go for our Google Play Store and here try to install something like this game. If we click on install, it changes into pending mode and doesn't begin the actual download. Let's cancel it for now and move on to the browser. And browser is right here. Now the websites won't open as well. To fix this, go to your settings, here scroll all the way down to the bottom and find General Management. Enter date and time and set automatic date and time settings. If you go back to your Google Play Store, we should be able to download the game. It says it's not compatible, but it should be. So let's click on it again. And here download begins. And the browser, let's refresh this page and yep, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.